But yeah, what's up, y'all? It's that time once again for us to make some video games. Let's see what we got. Right, so today I kind of want to focus on actually building out some levels, because that's pretty important. I think we're at a pretty good point with our title screen and like all the other like functionality of things, so now we just need to build a game out. Also, oh, I didn't make a command for this. Let me make a command for this. It's in my title and it doesn't work right now. Nobody type that. Add a command. Goon 2. Cool. Oh, did I, okay, release status prototype. Actually, prototype isn't even right. Actually, prototype's probably fine. We'll leave it on prototype. Alright. Now that's stuff you guys can't see me doing, but it's fine. It's not... It's done. First things first. I want to make it very easy to switch between which folder we're using for stuff, and we kind of have done that a while ago. We have this variable in our constants that's called mode. It's maybe a little confusing. You know what, let me comment this while we're at it. It just won't show up anywhere other than the code, but, you know, it's kind of important to remember. I might change the name of this variable. We'll see. Use to target, or targets the targets different folders when loading map and scene data. So instead of demo or debug, we'll set this to demo. Release is weird, full is weird, I don't know, whatever. We don't have to make that folder right now anyway. I'm getting caught up on naming things. Let's actually get back to doing things. So, we got our demo folder. This will just update where the game sends us when it starts up. There are errors with that right now, and I would like to address said errors so that we can actually have this load us into our demo room properly. I think it just breaks the menu, basically. And I forget why it does that, but that goes back to my list. Not this one. Make it so entire inventory isn't borked when map data fails to load. I would like to do that. I think we're going to now do that. Yep, inventory's borked, but I can otherwise move around just fine. And there's even an error in the console. How perfect. Did not find area mapped to room 1. Ensure this map... Okay, so this error is fine. But the problem is... We then don't, like, when this happens, we need to, like, handle it. And I know we call this in a couple places. Oh, just 2 places, that's not too bad. Yeah, the UI is part of this. So on open menu. This to-do is also kind of related to that. But yeah, the problem is there's a null reference happening because this comes back null because, yeah, get map data for current room. This just isn't in that lookup that we have. Oh, man. That's fine though, because the end result is it comes back null anyway. Take me to the exact line that's blowing up here. That might be a better place to start. That looks like here. Yeah, so that's null and it does that. Okay, makes sense. Now, better question is, though, when we call on open menu, like, I don't want to put this in a try-catch, and maybe that's good, maybe I shouldn't. The thing is, if I just, like, return here, there's gonna be other null stuff later. But I guess maybe we should handle it that way. Rather than... I don't know, maybe this will just be fine. I don't know. Hey, look at that. The map doesn't blow up anymore. That causes a ton of errors, though. When I go into the map specifically. It's interesting. Oh, and check for movement. Current map mode. Oh, right. So there's nothing happening in here. So if that's null, just return. Because, I mean, moving it doesn't do anything anyway when there's nothing there. So that, I think that's good because, like, yeah, obviously this sets up the scenario where, like, oh, I didn't configure the map correctly, and now, like, the map won't work in that room. But I still have error messages going off saying, hey, this was supposed to be here and it wasn't. But I can still use my inventory and stuff. Good. Cool. Yeah, because it's right here. Not find area map to room 1. Sure this map has a room info, object with valid parameters. What I should do there, this kind of sucks from like a design standpoint, but what I should do there, and I think I'm going to, oh, actually, no, I don't need to do that. Okay, well, we'll do it this way. Oh, wait, no, we don't have... Oh, man. I would love to print out what the room name is, because that would be, like, so much more helpful to the player. I guess we'd want to do this, then. Public static string, get current room name. Pardon me. And then literally just this, but then give it the name. I guess we'll leave that in there. I don't know if that'll fire off twice. Is that possible to do? Can I get like the file name of a scene? Might be going off on a crazy tangent here, but let's see. Oh, come on, man. Yeah. Wait, why is that? It's not the same. Oh, it's because it's giving that, yeah. Man, what the hell? Wait, oh, do I already have a get current room name? Oh. What do you know? Get current scene file path. Whoa. Oh. What do you know? Oh, we have that fully replaced this. This might break stuff. It's a song from I recognize it. Yeah, this is from Castlevania 64. Specifically, Annex Silent Madness is the name of it. What's up, Epio? This doesn't break anything. Oh, yeah, that will break stuff. Dang it. Alright, well don't use this then, I guess. Well, here's the interesting thing about that. This actually isn't using my room info. Oh wait, yes it is. What the hell? Oh. Nice. Alright. Yeah, instead of like this nonsense, just do get current room name. Code. Easy. Okay. So map status UI, we won't even bother putting that in then, because we have this. It'll be covered in the error message that gets printed out. Call the House of Doom 2, my house House of Doom 2 as well for different reasons. Nice. How come that other message doesn't go off on the screen anymore? Wait, no error went off. Oh, does it not do that till I open it? Oh, look at that. Not find area mapped to room 1. Did I not save my file? Oh, I put the room info in the wrong place. Okay, well that works. Just has a room for object develop parameters, okay. Yep, and what's happening here is that it's, where is it? I think it's under prefabs. Maps, yeah, so maps, demo, debug, so it looks for this. It builds this out of, like, how does it build that? Hold on a second. So it has the room area lookup, right? So we've got map scenes.length. Map scenes.ends with... Oh, if it doesn't end with tscene, then we go to the map folder, which is going to be prefabs maps demo, and then whatever this scene is. Where does this... Okay, so this is just grabbing all of the files there, and then somewhere in that data it does check... Oh yeah, it treats this as a map data, so that pulls the data out of it, and... Anyway, point is we're not pointing at this folder anymore, we're pointing at this one now, which is empty. That's all good. And then these files are expected to define, like, information about, you know, which area it's in, yada yada yada. Oh, and then, yeah, have rooms denoting each area, and then those rooms themselves have room IDs that form that lookup that it creates. Cool. Alright. This frickin' dynamic map stuff's gonna drive me crazy. Yeah. This, yeah, this is Resident Evil music. I was gonna say, like, wait. I put on an N64 playlist, and then I forgot Resident Evil 2 is, in fact, on the N64. We've already played it in our marathon. In fact, I think we've played every single horror game on the N64 now. Let me check. We haven't finished one of them, and I've been waiting to go back to it because apparently there's an English patch being worked on for it. If that does not get finished, then... Alright, this auto list is insane because it put Dino Crisis 2 on here, and Eternal Darkness, which is kind of true, but not right. Also Shipwreck 64, amazing. And Clock Tower, which there's no Clock Tower game on the N64. There's one on the SNES. Scariest N64 game, in your opinion? I bet a lot of people are going to say, yep, Zelda. It's literally the first comment. They're talking about Redeads. And Majora's Mask, GoldenEye, what the... Glover? For reasons I cannot explain. Glover. That person's the most correct person on this list, or on this forum. Someone calling out Nightmare Creatures. I don't want the best. Give me all of them. Not survival horror. Not list of horror games. God damn it. People are calling Shadowgate 64 survival horror, which we have also played. I don't think that's right, but sure, I guess. And Castlevania 64 played it. I guess we haven't played Legacy of Darkness, even though it is basically the same game as Castlevania 64. There's just more characters you can play as. Shadow Man, yep, played that already. What the fuck is ODT Escape or Die Trying? Is that on the N64? I don't think that's on the N64. What the fuck is that? This looks cool, actually. Hold on. It's supposed to be a PlayStation game, though, right? Oh, it's on Steam. Yeah, it's a PlayStation game. It's not on N64. But it's also on Steam. That's getting wishlisted right now. This looks janky. It's my kind of game. Action roguelike shoot 'em up. Yeah, this looks to be the original. This looks fucking weird, chat. I'm gonna play that sometime. Anyway, enough distractions, kind of. Let me get through this list here. Oh, I guess these are technically correct. Doom 64, Quake 64, and Quake 2. Or wait, is Quake 2 on the N64? Yeah, it looks like it is. Yep. And I've never played any of those 3 games, so I guess you got me there. But yeah, Yokochu 2 Setsuijin are the other 2. Or sorry, is the one we haven't finished that we played. And I guess Project Swarm... Oh, is that the game that wasn't released? Oh no, this one was released, okay. There's some game that sounds like that wasn't released in the N64, but someone bought the rights to it and finished it fairly recently. I forget what the heck it was called. Alright. Maybe we'll play that one too, because I don't know. With Quake and Doom, I'd rather just play the PC versions of those, because it's going to be infinitely more enjoyable. Oh yeah, and the canceled projects, because yeah, Eternal Darkness was originally going to be on the N64, but it didn't come out. And then, it's likewise, Resident Evil 0 also was going to be on the N64, but didn't come out. Both games I've streamed on this channel, multiple times, actually. Roswell Conspiracies, I don't know what that is. That probably just never actually got finished. But yeah, Hybrid Heaven and Body Harvest are other ones mentioned on here. We played those. Alright, well... Oh, okay, it looks like the PC version of Roswell, or the PlayStation version of Roswell Conspiracies got finished. Anyway. Might be another game to check out someday. Alright. That was a huge tangent doing nothing useful. So, we'll need to make a map for this other area, but it won't be like this. Though also, I would like to just duplicate this, for what it's worth. Just plop that in there, bada bing, bada boom. What in the goddamn... Oh, there we go. This will even, like, show up and stuff, which is kind of cool. Dude, how come I keep getting friend requests during streams? What's up with that? Also, I hate that people can, like, hide their info. Maybe they see that I'm streaming and try to add me, because then I won't, like, be able to see all the info. But in reality, I'm just gonna block you if you do that, so... Good job, bots. That must be it. There must be, like, a bot crawler that's like, oh, this person's in streaming status, let me go add them. Because they won't be able to check the full info, because I have my silly little, program set up like this. Yeah, we cut that down by 200, just move it up. Perfect. Oh, also our doors. From room 1 to room 2. Flip this 30 to 10. Position-wise, I'll just move you. Cool. Oh, man. Oh, wait. Oh. That's annoying. I haven't thought about door loads that, go in different directions. or ones that just automatically happen. Yeah, delete the related animation tracks for that door, for that little thingy. Yeah, something in here needs to adjust now that I've done that. Doors, there we go. Cool beans. Oh yeah, do I have a thing for this? I don't even know if we have this implemented. I was thinking I should put like an inspect thing over here to like mention like I'm not going back that way or whatever. Also I guess we can make like another type of door that just is an area you walk through. That would probably be best, I suppose. Let's do that. Also, I need to move this shit. Just won't let me move that by like 1 pixel. There we go. Oh, but I'm gonna need to move it again once I make this wider. Dang it. Oh no, I'm not. It goes that way. Nice. We should maybe shrink that first room. Just for like the grand scheme of map sizing stuff. Oh, this isn't, it's not evenly aligned. Room 3 is kind of throwing the vibes off here. Actually, let's get rid of room 3. Because I think what we're going to do here is we're going to have, like, this little entrance area that's going to be very tiny, and then we're going to have a larger, like, main park area. We'll call it the park fountain. And then a third door that just leads directly into the location we're going to, which is going to be a museum. Can I not move these guys? I can. Okay, I think we make room 1 a little bit tinier and make room 2 a little bit bigger. And split the difference at that. It's like 150, 150 is what I'm thinking. Make this another 100 large. Pardon me. Heck. Just trying to move left and right. Ah! Why does grabbing the y-axis one not work that way? We're also gonna make this larger, just to reflect reality. Oh. I guess that's where the seam is? Wait, I guess we're not on, like... Okay, hold on. Let's get these guys on, like, reliable positions here. So 750. 750, 400, that's fine. But then you also need to be at 900 to not overlap. And then same goes with you, door. 895 seems right. I'm not even sure what to calculate here. 440 is probably the best. No. God, Load Runner 3D. Nope. Man, screw that game. I'm so glad we're done with it. Hate that game so much. Okay. Oh nice, it knows to multi-line when it runs out of, space. Ah, shoot, what are all these errors? Oh, they're like ramping up. Ow. No map status, no reference. Is there something null in here? Oh, the rooms, yeah. There's an empty third room. Okay, kind of fair enough there. Though I think we can, again, just like the other stuff here. So, what we want to do here... warning now. Warning, no warning. We're printing it as an error. That's already, like, warning. Room data at index, oops. Index J, cool, that's the button I wanted to press. At index J of area I map is null. Skipping this. Well, Please check the map scene for this area. How do I get, like, the area name? There's gotta be area data somewhere around here, right? There's no way I don't have that. Map data, there we go. Oh, that's why, because it's called map data, not area data. Damn me and my naming conventions. There we go. This feels more grammatically correct to put the parenthetical after the word map here. Finish the map scene for this area. We should go see where it blows up if I don't have all my doors set either. That would be a good idea. Remove null rows. This shouldn't impact gameplay. If you don't. There we go. Alright, let's let's knowingly sabotage ourselves then. Do it for the rooms, do it for the doors. Grab one of these bad boys. No one's looking. Well, the doors only do... Area 0 map. Oh, that's... Okay, yeah, I need to not use I need to use, Bleh. Oh, we already have that. It's map data.area ID. At least everything else worked there. Anyway, where did the hard error come from with the... Oh, both of these, actually. I'll have to double check that one, but this one definitely I can see what's going on here. Wait, what? In here? Null reference in here. Visited room. Oh, because then we have a null record going downward in the stream here. So we need to do more than that. We already have a warning in the other spot, like when it's ingesting this data, so like I don't think we need to like make a redundant famous last words, but we'll see. Okay, there's one less error now, that's good. I probably should have checked that other error because that's probably where the door thing is happening. No, this is still null. Oh wait, no, there we go. Yes, yeah, same thing here. Need to do door date. Thank you. Door data is null. Print an error out for us. Door at index I of area. Wait, oh, this happens here. That's annoying. Yeah, I guess there is no other place this would pop up until then. That's pretty annoying, actually. Fuck. Okay, so this is actually the individual maps data, so I have the area name right here, then. What is this called? Door data. There we go. Okay. I kind of want to go adjust that other error that I had. Pilot Wings music, baby! Whoa. Scene root objects, door data. Remove null rows. There we go. Actual, more helpful, instructive, response there. Still broke my menu. Yeah. But here we go. Door at index 1 of area map 1. Area 1 map, park. It's null. Please check the map's room data and remove null rows, although this shouldn't impact gameplay if you don't. I worded those slightly differently, but whatever, man, fuck it. Okay, we got another null here. Set current room. Ah, shoot. Yeah, there's gonna be a couple of random things like this. I guess I could just do that. Because null will never equal anything, or it will never equal a non-nullable integer value. So we're never gonna get a false match is what I'm trying to say, I guess. Alright. Hey! My offset and all that other shit's totally wrong, but that's fine. Door, whatever is null, door, blah 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 blah. Oh, that's gonna happen like every time you open the map, I think, whereas the other stuff only happened once because that's during the init. So... in map status, is there anything... There really isn't. There's no, like, loop over the doors in the room. Because, unlike this, it doesn't need, like, the lookup thing. Room name to area name lookup. That should be room ID to area ID lookup. In fact, you could just take the room... take the word name out of this. Room to area lookup. And then area to map lookup. Again, not using names in this. Or area to map data lookup is probably fine. Although it's like it's shorter if I just say it this way. Yeah, because doors don't have that same thing. I guess what we should do instead is let's take this message. Let's just do a loop and then just call out any doors that we see. That's super not the loop I was trying to write here, but whatever. Oh my gosh, we got a raid. Big Boy Games, what's up, dude? What's up, everybody? Welcome on in, thank you for the raid. How'd your stream go? How are things going? Things are going well. How are things going for you? What is up, the real Yoshi? Wait, no, that's not right. I'm sorry, I keep screwing up your name. Real Yoshi replay. The Tone Person and Big Boy Games. What's up? No way. Good, just played a bit of Factorio. Nice. Dude, I haven't played since the full release. That game's really good, though. I like me some Factorio. Factorio is like the one thing that breaks the mold for me with games that are super similar to my job in nature, because they're like, it's basically just like raw coding skills, the video game. It even has like a loop of like technical debt built into it. A lot of those games I don't like because it's just like too close to just like I'd rather just code. Oh, am I in another loop already? Oh yeah, because this is for each map. Okay. Anyway, what's up, everybody? We're working on a game, as you can kind of see. Enjoy your cheese break. That one person. Oh, right, that's a 4, not that 4 one person. Having lag spikes, the resource spawning. Oof. Yeah, stuff like TS-1000 is just like a little too far for me. Oh, now we need to do this too. Dang it. I guess map data would work here. Map data.that, map data.that. Oh, but we need to null check. Anyway, sorry, what I'm doing right now, I'm building on a demo for my game, which I hope to release on Tuesday. The demo, not the game. it's very far from done. But specifically what I'm doing right now is cleaning stuff up so that we don't have like tiny errors cause huge issues. I don't know how that ran. Oh, I didn't save, that's how it ran. So for example, right now, well, I guess it's working now, but previously if you misconfigure your map, like the whole menu doesn't work. Like you can't open up your inventory, like it just gives you like a blank screen. So I'm trying to code things in a way where like not everything blows up, but we still give you warnings like, hey, this room's not configured correctly, we couldn't load this. It's too literal to programming, it's too real. Yeah. Got a map working? Kind of. I mean, you can see there's one flaw. So this, like, technically works, but tuning it is a nightmare, and I wish I had a better way to automatically calculate this. So, you can see the player's position on the map. And you can see very clearly that it's not in the right spot right now. I have a workaround for that, which does actually work. There's numbers on the map room that give it, like, offset and scaling data. So it tells it like, okay, well you need to offset the player by like this amount when you're in this room, and then like the scaling is like how much to scale it, you know, when you're on one side of the room versus the other. But our maps are pretty cool otherwise, like you can move them around. You can't see the door right now, but the doors that are in the maps, if they're locked and you've already inspected them, it'll show you that you know that they're locked. If you've gone through them and you know you can use them, and then they show a different color status, and then there's the unknown if you're aware of the door but haven't used it yet. One thing we haven't gotten working, you can actually see on this instance right here, it shows correctly if you have the map for the area. Like there's a physical item that is a map that you pick up. That will show all the doors. Otherwise, it doesn't show you any doors unless you've used them. What I want to change that to is, like, doors that are in a room that you're in that should show up, like, regardless. So we might tweak that while we're working on all this stuff. But more specifically right now, I'm trying to write some warnings and better null reference handling for scenarios like if you don't remember to like assign a door or you have like an extra loose one somewhere. Oh yeah, the other thing in the map that does work, although actually it's not working in this room, I wonder why. Oh, you know what, I bet this doesn't take into account scenario where there's just nothing in a room, but the rooms are supposed to change color when you're so it flashes when you're in the room. That's working, but it's supposed to turn blue when you've gotten everything out of the room, like when you finish looting it. And since this room has nothing in it, it should work, but I don't know. It's weird. Oh, also I need to finish writing this. Anyway, enjoy your numerous cheese breaks, real Yoshi replay. What are we doing? If the door is null. Then we print an error. That's literally all I'm doing here. But I then need to go back over here. And just change this to a simple continue. Because otherwise this will throw the error every time you open the map, which is a little annoying. This way it just does it when it initially loads all the map data. Which I think actually might be once per room, so that might be a little bit spammy, but whatever. I don't know. Things could be worse in terms of, like, little safety reminders to just let you know. One thing we don't have right now, so we do have the ability to, like, we have doors we can add in. I don't actually have the ability to have, like, a transition between two rooms that is, like, just something you walk up to. I probably should do that. Specifically here, I want that to happen. Okay. Cool. I know tonight was supposed to be about building levels, and we are going to get to that eventually, but I think next what I want to do is go in and make the doors appear when you're in a room. Oh, this might be an issue where, like, the ordering of things is what's screwing up here. Oh, man. So that's us loading this map. Player visited room equals map status dot visited room. I think it's not properly accounting for whether or not, like, it's not saying you visited a room until you've left the room that you're in. I think that might be the only issue with the doors here. Either that or something about the, like, initialization of, like, when you start game. It's more data weirdness with that, possibly. Player visited room 1, false. Player visited room 2, true. Or false. Oh, but down here it's true. Door 1 status set to unseen. Okay, so maybe it is just, because that's clearly happening after this part, so we've already tagged this as, like, we've been to this room, you know, correctly. Pardon me. Ugh. Well, I forgot I had this debug message here, which is going to be incredibly helpful right now. I can find exactly which line this is happening at. Map status, entered door. Yeah, so if you've been in the door, we know that the door is open. If you found the locked door, then you're good. Oh, has seen door. How does this work? Oh, maybe this list doesn't get updated till after that happens. That's possible. But this is just part of refresh map. It just goes to the doors and then messes with them. Oh, also, I forgot to do this. So we made this, like, door data I to reduce the redundant, array references here. Let's go ahead and replace that. I couldn't remember what this song was from. It's from Pokemon Snap. Okay, how do we know when you've seen a door? Found door happens here in room info. So on ready in room info, all doors and oh, this does work. It's all working, chat. It's simply that we don't have a door in this room. Okay, hold on. Not the staging area. I want... not you either. Perhaps I should do some Godot to take a break. I've been hard at work on my Vulkan renderer for a while now. It's tough work. So there's two things that are in this room that I want to add to this room which are not features currently, or one of them might be, I'm not really sure. Oh, no, I guess the other one is a thing currently. So I want to add like an inspect object over here to tell you like why you can't go that way. Then over here, instead of just a door that you walk through, I need to make a door, or well, I need to make a door you can walk through rather than one that you have to inspect to open. We call it like an auto door, an area door. Trigger door. Well, a trigger door would be like a load on like some event, which is different. We'd want to do that differently. But yeah, the reason it's not showing up on the map is because this list here is empty. Just gonna call that map park map. Bar entrance. So, the other question I have here is, why is this room not marked as, like, cleared? So going a couple layers back here. As seen door, cleared status equals cleared room. Yep, okay, I was right. When a room has nothing in it, then it's not... it doesn't, like, know to update it. I think. I think that's what's happening here. Check for rooms cleared. Jesus. I feel like this should be getting called in the refresh, but I don't know that it is. Because, yeah, no, it looks like it only checks it when something happens, like when you pick something up, or when you solve a puzzle, or whatever else. Like, this should probably be called differently. I don't want to do it at the start of every, like, area load, but, like, we might need to. Dude, why can't I find... Is it in map data? It is in map data, isn't it? Oh, wait, no, this is a auto-load map data, so I don't need to, Oh, wait, no, it isn't. Never mind. Never mind, never mind. That's once per scene. Because it's under the player. Bleh. What the heck is on my fingernail? Fragment of beard hair, I think. So refresh map gets called in a lot of places. Oh, you know what? Map status is a singleton autoloader, so I think maybe we can do this. Oh, never mind. Where does that live? Oh, wait, no. That's... oh, it's in here. Wait, oh, no. It's calling itself, that would be horrible. So, if you are a singleton, maybe I can just... There we go. Ah, no dice. Oh! Map status instance was null, okay. Oh, yeah, because our... Well, that's a pickle. Although, actually, that should be done by then, shouldn't it? It's in the ready. That's after we already have set instance to this. I don't know why that's null. Know how it could be null. Probably because ready hasn't returned yet. I'm guessing it's something to do with that. Although that still doesn't really make sense. It's like the line of code that sets instance to this has literally already run at that point. It's up there. Alright, how about we just do it in refresh map? Okay, so we got a null there. This rocket robot on wheels. Oh boy. Oh mamma mia. Yep, got stuck in an infinite loop there. Hopefully I didn't just crash my stream. No, we're good. Should be safe. We don't have GIMP open unlike last week. This is the weirdest thing. My stream kept crashing because I had the, you know, the drawing tool GIMP open. Huh. Does this refresh map as part of its process? Oh, God. Okay, yep. Don't call it from there. Noted. This probably ought to work. I wonder if we still get that error message. Probably do. Yeah. Map status instance was null. It didn't mark this as cleared, though. I'm still running it at the wrong time. Okay, hold on. We do actually want to do it at the start of every room because room visited is part of this. Or not room visited. Wait. Crud, I've forgotten what all of this, or what all these errors were around here. Get current room ID. Instance.clear room. I'm gonna rename this as well. Mark room cleared. Map data, refresh map. So we're calling this, and then we're going through scene route, contains pending item. How does this work? Oh yeah, that's the recursive thing we have where it just goes in the node and then looks at all the child nodes. Sees if any of those are something that's incomplete. What am I missing here? So... Oh, also, before I forget, let's fix this so we don't get that, like, extra warning message here. Okay. Whoops. not check for cleared room. That's not a problem here. We were calling it from the wrong place? Or do the rooms not match up? Is that the problem? Room 1, room ID is 1. Room ID is 1. Okay. This calls map refresh directly, so that should update the UI at that part. Yeah, that's weird. Oh, wait, I removed my thing that calls this. I'm gonna put this in room infos ready. Oh, even better. That actually makes a lot of sense to put it there, since the room info is sort of the ambassador of, like, connecting the map to the room, or, like, physically what's going on in the room. Boom! Alright. Fixed it. Didn't even know it was broken, but we fixed it. Also, I think we've accomplished that at this point. Jittery movement, I think that's just not even a thing anymore. This thing is an issue, but it's for an AI that we're probably not even going to use, so... Or an enemy, not an AI, whatever. That is a bigger thing to fix. These I couldn't recreate, but I feel like they possibly could still be an issue. This happens, but I don't know how to fix it. Another game after our map. Oh yeah, that's definitely a bug. It's such a nuanced thing that I don't think really... Players probably won't run into that super often, but it could happen, I guess. Even when I take the debug keys out for saving and loading, you can still, at any point, you could just exit to menu and then load. And that probably would still persist the same issue. I guess we could test. Oh wait, well now if we wanted to test, I have to go back to my switch it back to the other rooms, because this doesn't have a map in it right now, so I can't pick up a map to test it. Cool. Okay. Next, let's add a little inspect point over here. Oh yeah, the fence is outside of everything. Get in there. Maybe that's why it... Wait, not under there. Damn it, man. Why can't you just go where I need you? There we go. That's what I was supposed to be doing. Man, I don't know. It's still not very visible, just given the camera angle. Didn't I make a fence? Oh yeah, this is the fence I made. There's just a texture on it that is not what I made. The model is actually mine, though. I even put little things on top? Oh no, that's the... Never mind, that's the UI. The game engine's UI. I guess having like a different texture underneath it would be helpful to see it better, because it's like, not only is it also gray on gray, but it's like gray with like pixely pattern on it. Maybe I could find some like road texture to make that look more like an outside area. Anyway, that's not what I was trying to do. Let's put this in here. I don't think I have like a scene for this specifically. I might have one for like a thing you inspect and then put a code in, but we're gonna need to like build it out this way. What do you need under you? You need like a shape or something? Collision shape 3D, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Move that over here. Wonder why snapping is on even though it's not on. You can see that it's not on. Now that it looks like it's on, it's not on. I need to make this wide, but I don't want to make the thing angry, so what do? I edit it this way, right? Yeah. Oh, no. Or is that? No, that's what makes it angry. The heck? This does cause it to complain, but I think it also doesn't matter. Do I increase the area size? Nope. Unlink, damn you. That's still unhappy. I don't know, man. I don't freaking know. Oh, I gotta go into the shape. There it is, okay. Like, I know there's like a right way to... I'm pretty sure the thing I'm trying to do works regardless of whether or not that warning's there, but I understand that that can cause issues when you don't... You just try to use that on like a complex shape. I guess I could make the hitbox taller, but it also doesn't matter because the player... It's not like you can jump, so it's... Their interact hitbox goes this high anyway, so... Oh, right. Then we want to attach our script, which is called something. I don't know what it's called, but... How come it's not, Why is, like, the filter for this not as, like, complex as the filter for this? I feel like that should be, Really quick, what the hell is this? Okay, so this is not of the same type. Yeah, so inspect text UI is what you interact with. Oh, I guess we don't have a thing for this then. Maybe this would be a good thing to turn into a scene so we can reuse it later. Yeah, no, we've only got a code which has... whatever. So we'll need a new script. Text on inspect. Show text on expect. Inspect the. Where did that file go? Oh. I don't know why I thought that folder wasn't, open. Note 3D. I thought the thing was happening again where, like, the compiler just decides to not acknowledge the new class I created. Not the compiler, but the, IntelliSense, and then it just makes it incredibly hard to, like, write any code. That has not happened since we updated to 4.3. Or 4.2, not 4.3. Still need to upgrade to 4.3, but we're gonna do that after we finish this demo, because I don't wanna risk something randomly breaking and then needing to go fix it. Like, we're gonna stick with what's stable for now. Not that 4.3 is unstable, but again, who knows? We'll gladly keep updating versions, just not when I'm like trying to deliver something in a couple of days. Not public, private. String array. Lines. I don't know. Inspect lines. Not get set. Jeez, man. I wish this worked. Maybe this will work in 3.4 where you can actually like have the hover over text work when you're using C#. We did test this in the GDScript like thing, or the equivalent thing you're supposed to do for GDScript does work, and then like this is what their documentation says to do, like use the standard commenting thing, but it does not work, sadly. Inspect lines, yeah. What text to display when the player inspects this area. I had a thought about this today too. So for the purposes of shuffling codes, I want to have like a dynamic system for like writing a code in for like a code in an inspect text thing and then just like dynamically replacing it. I decided that the best way to do that is not check the lines unless we know it has something in here using a checkbox that we set. Just so we're not doing like extraneous string replaces. I'm gonna put that in there. Anyway, public override. Actually, I don't even need an override for this, and this actually can be a private. Private void on area. Enter. No, wait. Oh, shoot. This needs to be handled on the player side, doesn't it? I think so. This is silly. Okay, well, whatever. Anyway. Oh, shoot. The other tricky thing is the thing the player will enter is not this, because I had this... Well, I guess I don't have attached to anything at the moment. But yeah, it will need to be... The script itself that the player will use to identify it will need to be on the actual Area 3D and not this thing. I'll just make a separate script for that, and it'll just be empty, and it'll be empty except for a reference to the script. I'm thinking in terms of, like, scene management. We can still have logic in here, though, because we're gonna call... So in the player, we'll call this thing to, like, orchestrate this stuff happening. Do we need a process method? I think we do. Damn it, this almost makes me wish I had passcode be an extended class of this. But whatever. Yeah, we're gonna need, Cool. And then we'll need a public method that we will call, start inspection. I don't need another boolean, but also it's funny that it just assumed writing and reading. Ooh. Oh yeah, big news by the way, chat. Big news. Huge news. I might actually not... I don't know if I am streaming or not tomorrow. Originally I thought I was not streaming tomorrow. Regardless, streams from here till Halloween are going to be dev until we're done with the demo. And then if we finish the demo, we'll go back to Fear, but I have a good feeling that we'll probably be using all the streams from now till Halloween to... to be doing game dev, because I'm struggling to actually get, like, levels put together here. It's been 2 hours already. Oh, jeez. I haven't even, like, created a new room yet. That is okay, though. It's all fine. Ugh. Oh, and also on Halloween, I'll be doing, a co-stream with Possum. My fiance. Awesome Possum. Oop. Although I don't know if I'll be streaming that or if it'll just be over on her channel. TBD. Double delta... So, oh, no. You are reading. If you're not reading, we don't need this. Otherwise, hey, it's Perfect Dark. Oh, you know what? We'll need the player's inspect thing also. The text inspect object. There we go. Ready method. I go back to the code thing here. Is there not a puzzle folder? Oh my god, it's the one that's not expanded. I got again. Passcode. Steal this guy. Oh, we need an index. Dude, what the hell do I call on this thing? Oh! Oh, perfect. Okay, fuck. So we don't even need a process method or any of that shit. We do need the text reader, though. So that ready method will be needed. Let's see. Yeah, because that's all handled already, so we just get rid of this process method altogether. Don't need any of that. Oops, that's not it. So I was afraid of. Cool. So then we call this. Well, we need to. We need that secondary script, which will have a reference to this one, because that's going to need to be a child of the scene, and it'll just be easier to, like, just have a flat object of the scene and not have to make the children editable in every scene where you use it. honestly, rather than that, I'm thinking like, so we have our inspect script, right? Or player interact, I think it's called. Just looking at it. Oh, it's right here. There we go. Perfect. This guy should already have the player inspect text. Well, that's bizarre that it doesn't. So all we need for this guy is going to be... We'll make this one public intentionally. And then we'll just access that from the other spot there. Nope. Close. Oh, wait. It's one more layer. Damn it. How did I call that? Start, I guess. Whatever, man. No, I guess we'll leave it this way, because I think that it's better to have like this own its logic of like what I pass in there in case I complicate it, rather than putting that logic here in the player inspect. Even though this could have a like much bigger impact on reducing how many references we have going out to that inspect UI. I still think that that's better logic-wise to throw it in here. I guess the compromise would be they're still passing a reference around in this scenario, which is probably cleaner in terms of less use of get node, is if I just passed the reference of it into here or wherever else might want it. Ah, shoot. Yeah, we don't want on body entered, right? Or wait. Doors, item boxes, and passcodes all do use that. But this is an area, not a body. Huh. That should be good, I think. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Guess that's already all baked into there. Yeah, you know what? I think I will improve things this way. Oh. It's like a 99% chance I'm gonna forget to wire one of these things I just changed up. So let's just fix that now. Build errors, no! Oh, right, I didn't, I think I just forgot to save something there. Player interact, there we go. Inspect text UI... Nope. Almost. Oh wait, no, that's just the text itself. Note reader, I think, is what I'm looking for. Wait, I've already got that. Hold on a second. The hell's player interact? No, note reader is different. What the hell? What do we use this for? Oh, that's for reading notes, not so like a standalone screen. Okay, god damn it. Why did I make my game like this? Not the item box control, not the person. Oh, inspect text UI. There we go. Shoot, now where's the other thing I was trying to add that onto? Oh, right there. It's next to it. There we go. Inspect text UI. That is, in fact, of inspect text UI type. Alright. Back to... whatever the heck I was doing. Oh yeah, it's not pick up current note, but the locks. Yeah, the locks and the codes, both of these actually. This kind of is handled. Yeah, that's kind of just got its own thing going on. Hmm. Is there anywhere where I can maybe get rid of this? That kind of is doing like a lot of stuff to wire stuff in. I guess I could still just pass it in the call on inspect, but like you don't always need it, so it feels silly to like have that be a parameter. Just like a regular door or whatever. Oh, shoot. What does this use this for? Oh. I don't really understand what that's doing, but okay. Oh, okay. That's in the scenario where, like, game is shutting down, it needs to cancel out of all the state of everything. Yeah, whatever, that one's fine, I guess. Yeah, door. Passcode might be a better contender here, because I think that's always kind of relevant. Or at least close enough. You know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna send that into the doors as well. Does this also do the same thing? It sure does. Okay. Now we gotta go in and... Yep, my bad there. Inspect text UI. Inspect text UI. There it is. There it goes. It's a bit of a performance tirade, but kind of worth it, though. Ah, balls. This one definitely is more involved here, but we can get there. Oh, it's already here. Nice. So no more errors there, but back in here we have the other two places we need to go update still. Oh no. Oh no! Huh. I need to... I think we just need to save a copy of it. Ooh. It's only on code entered, which is fine, because that will always get called after this. Cool. So going back to this. One more, hopefully this one is simple. What is this song? Oh. I think I accidentally went into a playlist here. Luckily that was also just video game music, so it should be safe VOD-wise. Took me a minute to recognize it. Okay, so inspect text UI. We need to get rid of the text reader. Similar thing as before here. Yeah, so we'll have that available there, no biggie. Seeing some like repeated code and all this, which would be cool to clean up, but I'm already causing enough disruption right here with this random thing I'm going on, or this random tangent I'm going on. Okay, I think that should be all of the things that we needed to update to make that more efficient. Damn it, I'm not gonna be able to test like any of this. Not without going back into the other rooms that we already had. We could do that. I don't know. So losing my voice a bit here. Prefabs, doors, lighting, maps, player, scenery, UI. A new folder. Wasn't expecting a very complicated question about Fortnite. Never played Fortnite. Therefore, I cannot comprehend what you're trying to ask. Actually, I guess I kind of can, since I have played video game. Just came through is all. It's all cool. Welcome on in. Sorry, but I do not have an answer to your Fortnite-related question. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was setting this up. So I think the thing... Because this will have... Okay, I guess I can check here, right? Yeah, area entered, area exited. So this would be the thing I need to have the collision script on. And then... the other script is the parent one here. And then definitely assign this to that. Just a thought is what I meant. Oh, gotcha. Okay, so that should be in good shape. Collision shape we don't care about. Oh, actually, I kind of do. Hold on. We're gonna... It's back to default, because the shape will be dependent on whatever the hell... Oh, I guess that does make this... Well, it kind of ruins the point of, like, having the scripts bundled the way I did. I was trying to make it so you don't need to go in and edit the children when you create these. I guess, to be fair, I think it does work if you just stretch out the parent. It, like, has a warning, but it doesn't actually break. Oh, whatever. Anyway. Whatever we gotta do is fine. It's just annoying. Prefabs, puzzles, inspect text. I'm surprised people still use Godot after the recent drama. Is there drama with Godot now? It's just going back and forth between Unity and Godot. There was. I don't know if I want to pry or not, but whatever. Haven't heard of it. Yeah, that's what I want to use. I mean, to be honest, the reason that all of this is in Godot is just because I wanted to test the engine out. I think long-term, I'm probably going to stick with Unity on stuff, but I don't want to, like, have to port all this stuff back now. So we got these two things. Yeah, 3D definitely... It's not the easiest thing to do in it. I don't know what I'm writing here. Cool. Now, if I mess with this thing's transform... Don't know if this works. The funny thing is I can't see the warning now. Looks like it's working. I think we can just load directly into this scene. I don't know why I keep going through the whole thing. Oh, an error. Null reference. Oh, I forgot to assign something to something, I think. Player interact. Oh, does it not have... Oh, maybe it didn't get carried over in the scene. Let's see. I'm thinking the reference got broke into this thing. It did. It did. Oh, come on. There we go. I wasn't aware of this button here. Cool, cool. Good luck with the project. Okay, we're good there. Oh man, that has a lot of like debug messages get printed out when this is running. You as well? Thanks. Oh man, okay, so that took entirely too long for getting that fence set up there, but we got it now. We've got a generic thing we can use to just plop somewhere and have like a series of messages when they go to inspect it. And part of the framework there for like dynamically replacing a code. I've been thinking about like the difficulties as well, like in addition to having the randomizer itself, I think it would be kind of cool to also, on like harder difficulties, potentially have some codes just be like randomized. I could also just have them have separate codes in different difficulties, but that's its own thing. Anyway, I'm thinking about stuff that doesn't matter right now. What I want to do next is get like an area of effect, like when you walk on this, you get moved to the new area type thing. Rather than just the doors that you have to interact with to go through them. I'm trying to think door-wise. What does the door use? Because I'm trying to think if I should make this like a an inherited class from door, or have them have some common component or something like that. Oh, door is under puzzles. That's why I can't find it. Not sure making, but for Maze that'd be fun. So I'm making, so you know, like Resident Evil or like Silent Hill, like the older like PS1 fixed camera angle survival horror type games. That is what I'm working on. Oh yeah, so we got our doors. Oh yeah, doors have a lot of different logic for like whether the door is locked, what it's locked by. Okay, yeah, I think having that inherit, or having those two things be from the same class is probably not a good idea. Good luck with it, just passing through. Thank you, thank you. So, I guess, otherwise, in terms of logic here, what have we got? Door. Oh, I'm in door. I'm not in player interact. Oh, well, this is what I'm looking for though. So we've got the unique ID. Yeah, oh crap. Oh man. The door info. Maybe this will need to like share some type of data type, because like on the map we're gonna need to treat this the same as a door. And I think those had direct references to the doors. Ugh. I need to think about this for a second. But also, chat, I will be right back. I'm gonna grab some water. I've been out for way too long. I think we actually can get away without combining these two concepts to be under the same hierarchy here. Because I think if I go back to... I think it's under map status, right? This door lookup logic, right? Yeah, okay, so this actually will be fine. The only linkage it has is the number that I put on them. So these doors are also going to need to have IDs. Yeah. Ironically, I think they wouldn't... No, having the same ID twice would be a problem because it's gonna mark things incorrectly on your map. It doesn't matter though. But what main thing is, I think we basically just need to change or copy the shape of the door class, but then remove like all the complex guts of it. So really it's going to need an ID, goes to room, oh right, and I guess door load type as well. We could use a different system, I guess, but... Oh wait, no, it would need to be the same enum because we're going to call scene changer with that info, so we'll need to pull from the same enum type. Start at position, start at angle. Oh, actually, shoot, this is all data we need. I forgot that that was part of this. Yeah, and there's not going to be any text associated with it. Yeah, events, none of that. That's all good. And then, I don't know what the heck this uses the player inventory for. Get key of type locks with. Oh, that's the logic to see when they inspect it if they have the key in their inventory. Then just unlock the door. Yeah. Okay. Shit, man. I've built a very complex machine here. That's not me complimenting myself either. We will keep the name door ID even though it won't be a door. What do we call this? I'm gonna call it a telepad. It's the most, like, straightforward description of what I'm creating, I think? I don't know. So effectively that's what it's doing anyway. It's just gonna play a cutscene and then move you when you touch it. Since it is related to doors in a way, I'm putting it in the same folder as door, even though this belongs in the puzzles folder even less than doors themselves. But whatever. Yeah, telepad. Teleporter. We'll call it teleport to room. Mildly less confusing that way. Yeah, it goes to room, door location. Okay, that's all the same stuff. That's good, that's good. There we go. I feel like I could have made locked door a subclass of door. Then I probably would have felt better about using this as a subclass of door rather than Oh, so one cool thing about them not being under the same hierarchy is we don't really want, like, we don't care about player interact when it comes to this thing. And in fact, this thing, I think we're actually going to wire up a signal going into this class rather than outward to, like, some central one. That's, like, its whole job is to teleport you, so it should manage that, I think. Then again, that is a common thing between that and a door. It's just the mechanism for setting it off is different. So going back to door here. Goes to room. How does it do this? Scene changer, get instance. And then there's the data. I want to build a class to bridge these. We're gonna do that. Not scene, script. We'll call this teleporter. And we'll make this abstract. Alright, it doesn't like that, but then Godot won't like that. Yeah, abstract classes are really annoying. In Godot, specifically. This does work, I think, though, overall. Okay, so these are the common things to a teleporter. This might fuck things up, though. This might break, like, every instance of a door that we have if I do this. Like, I'll need to go, like, put it back in again. Well, let's make a big mistake. Wait, what's wrong with this? Oh, right. This is fine, I just needed to change the order that goes in. Ooh. Okay, before I blow everything up, let me screenshot one of these. Probably don't need to do all of that, but whatever. Well. Oh wait, no. We're good. That's cool. Good job, Godot. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. I kind of want to set up the door prefab so that it has a script up here, and then I don't need to edit all this stuff underneath. Yeah, I'm not sure. Anyway, cool. So now we've got some of the... now I need to move the logic out of door into... into a common thing. Oh wait, shoot. What the heck do I do with this inspect text UI? Okay, I guess basically just this stuff is what I'm wanting to copy here. Sweet. That takes care of all of that. I'm wondering if those other things need to be protected anymore, because I think I can just make them private. Let me double check. Yeah, not that one. I can't imagine either the angles would be, right? Sweet. Private them up. I know door ID is used by other classes, so that needs to be full on public, but whatever. Everything else left in here I think is going to be very specific to, yeah. Just to that. Ooh, okay, I think I actually do need this hierarchy the way it is. So I guess I'm glad I did that. Cause yeah, we're gonna need to go into the classroom info and change that from a list of doors to a list of just teleporters in general. That's fine. Okay, yeah, teleport to room. What we need to do is register a thing. That can be private. If... Oh, wait, if that's the player... yeah, I mean, nothing, just activate teleporter. Boom. But we still need to wire up that signal. Gotta go back to our room here. That's not the right one. There we go. Kinda want to rename that to, like, teleport to room on touch. Let's do that. Cool beans. Not sure... Yeah, that's good. Yeah, and this one can be out here because we're going to wire up this collision from here. It's not the reverse like the way we do doors and like everything else. Might want to rethink that. I think that made a lot of sense to do that in Unity just because of, the way that, like, you can handle collisions in that, but... I don't know, it just feels like I could maybe wire things up better signal-wise and have easier to use, script hierarchies, but whatever. Yeah, so body entered. Oh, it is a Node 3D, nice. Physics body or a grid map. I didn't know grid maps could move. That's cool. Not room info. This guy. Cool. Let me find my prefab folder real quick. There we go. Puzzles, inspect text. Let's just have teleport on touch. Oh, yeah. Teleport on touch here. Let me go in here and make sure that signal is still correctly wired up. Yep, sure is. Nice. Okay, so we've got our instance. Move that up here. Again, snap to grid is on randomly. I know it is on, but it wasn't on. I don't know how to explain it. Transform. I want that to be probably wider than that. Have it extend out far enough that they definitely can't slip past it. That's a fine spot, whatever. Door ID. We'll call this door 1. Goes to room. I guess I need to make that room. Cool. Scenes. You know what? I'll just duplicate it. Okay. Oops. Okay. We'll make that a real level in a minute here. But yeah, actually that's fine. We'll just leave it at all that. That is not the stuff... Okay, well, some of this will work, some of it is not going to work. So this should teleport me. It did. Okay, cool. But you'll notice the map doesn't have, Wait, no, there is a door here. How did it... I didn't know. I didn't change that parameter yet, did I? Yeah, doors are null. Oh, it's because I went through the door. Oh. It's kind of funny. Uh, yeah, this... Oh, wait, no. Well, if it needs the area 3D, though... Why does it need the area 3D? Oh, okay, you know what? That might be mistaken. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Where's room info? My god, where is it? Room info script. Where the hell are you? Room info. Oh, wait, why does this think it's an area 3D? This isn't... It's node 3D. What the hell? Oh, wait, that causes error? No, it doesn't cause errors. We'll see. Well, there are 2 errors here. That's probably from the last run, though. Oh, right, I didn't assign the... There we go. Yeah, that still says Area 3D for some reason. I don't know why. It makes me concerned that this isn't going to work. But I guess we'll find out. Yeah, no, it worked. Okay. Whatever. Sweet. Room info, your room 2. I don't think we should keep this general shape of this room, but I am going to keep part of this shape of this room. Yeah, first off, get rid of that fence. You know, honestly, if you're spawning in at 0, 0, 0, maybe let's move all this stuff up here more. Alright. Okay. What are we doing? Oh yeah, I was gonna add another, oh, I guess we have one right here. Let's put that there. One thing I need to change after doing that. Oh, also, I guess camera. Sure, whatever. See how that's all wired up. Need to put several cameras in this room. I want to make it much larger. Probably fix that positioning there. You know what? Fuck it. This over here. What is this, position-wise? Private. Cool. Nice copy feature. Hey, look at that. Actually did it. I didn't trust that at all for some reason. 180. Oh, and also I guess you should be... No, yeah, door ID 1 is correct for you. It should be the same door because it's the same... Two sides of the same door. The hell? Oh, I pressed W, just the debug key for going forward. Eee. And off we go. Yippee! Yeah, let's just build this out further, shall we? So I'm thinking like a big stony fountain area in the center here. Where's the grid map at? There we go. don't know if I'm gonna get this evened out correctly or not. That's okay. We Devin? We're Devin. That's what we can call this. Oops. Actually, I didn't want to do that. Oh, that's so misshapen. This should just be longer, first of all. I can't really fix it without, getting this part sorted out here. Guess I really did just miss all the drama with Godot. It's so much easier to keep your sanity. Game does space, not making games. Or by just not making games and not following anything. I mean, hey. Been out here making games in Godot specifically, and tonight is my first hearing about it. In fact, I still don't even know what it is. Someone just said, there is drama, and then they dipped. This is still fucked, but we're gonna work with it. Yeah, forget these double ones. See, it looks better like that. That's a hedge. I'm like, why is that shaping so weird? Oh, it's political related. Gotcha, gotcha. Extra fun. Oh, totally, yeah. Gotcha, gotcha. think, I'm trying to stack some of the hedges to see if we can make this not look so flat, you know? It's kind of totally unnecessarily... It was kind of totally unnecessary. Total weird microcosm of the internet. Flame warning that had nothing to do with the engine itself. Yeah. Could definitely see things getting heated, especially in the current political climate. Not knowing any details still of what happened. Nice, that does kind of work. Although honestly, I don't even need the one on the floor if I'm doing that. But oh, then there's a hole there. That's right, no one will ever see that. Let's cover up that little hole. Little secret hole. I wonder if that'll look weird as you're moving, because the camera's not moving with you, so... Oops, kept going up. The ones in the ground you probably will actually like ramp up off of. Interesting. Have to look into what all happened there. Oh wait, shoot, I can't get off the grid map to do this. To be honest, you could skip it. Oops. Never told about this prototype I was putting out in August. The idea was awesome, just sort of tucking it away for next year to pursue when life chills a bit. Cool. Hope that goes well. It's exciting. To like put a model of the museum or something there. I don't think I should build it out fucking Minecraft style with these these tiles. Well, there's nothing stopping me doing that, I suppose. Cameras, though. Should get our cameras set up. It's actually not a bad, like, first point. Let me do this. Oh, wait, not camera. I can only copy one at a time. Sweet. Actually, why am I moving this? I should move the camera, then I can see what it's actually gonna look at when I'm done. Pretty good angle. Oh man, I haven't committed anything I've done tonight yet. I guess there's not much risk that we're incurring by working on a brand new isolated scene with no new, like, features to it, but it does concern me. Oh, that was what I was gonna do, make another Node 3D. So this will be for our camera triggers. This, I think I actually have... Yeah. There's the camera, and we want it to go to 1. Now we just need to place it. We'll save, I don't know, this area or something. But also make that larger. I don't really need the Y height, I guess, but a bit larger than that. I want it longer than that. Yeah, like there. That's pretty good. I will make that better in a moment, but I just want to test this first. Not bad at all. I see some errors though. What's that all about? It's that same damn thing. Okay, yeah, I don't know. This is why that happens sometimes. I actually kind of liked where that trigger was. Chad, I'll be right back. Take a quick break. Again. All right. Let's continue onward here. So I'm probably going to make more cameras than this, but for the time being, swivel it around here. little bit too far. Though also, yeah, I need to back up a bit, move over a lot. Still want to swivel that more to this way. I can't really... That's no good. That needs to go in a bit more, I think. Alright, we'll use that. I really wish I could paste the whole transform so I don't need to go back and forth, but whatever. Nope, not scale. Rotation. I need this, but instead of wider, I need it longer. It's 13 and back to 7 on you. Honestly, I don't need it to be like this huge and like cover every square inch of the frickin' thing, but it is easier to cover both directions that way, though. Speaking of that, I guess... Oh, not that one. It does need to be longer that way, too, but I do need to just make sure I'm covering this without overlapping that other guy. Actually, I don't want it to be that long, because I do want to cover... Ooh, shit. Stop looking at... at some point we want to switch over to a different camera over there. So I guess we'll just do it that way. And that covers basically anywhere remotely over there. Heck, honestly, maybe a little shorter than that. Oh, also that needs to go to 3, not 2. Make one for this side. It's weird, but I'm kind of liking this room. It's growing on me. Up for WoW Raid, are we level designing now? Pretty much. What's up, Epio? Yeah, that's super not where I was trying to point. Oh, there we go. I think we reached the end of the playlist. No. This song just went... Oh, wait, this is the same... this is the same playlist we did the other week. That's the section where they had to mute some of the music. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, that's alright then. Never mind. Thought I overwrote the wrong value on the wrong thing for a second there. The only other thing I wanted to do is the change to camera 2. I want to move that out. I was gonna put a camera for over here. I don't know about that though. That is good. We just need this to be like way bigger. That will do. It's overkill to be honest, but it's fine. Let's see how that actually works in practice. That looks horrible. I don't know why the shader looks like that over there. Okay, so you can definitely come in there, like... bit out of frame there. Creepy. I think it's the fog, or the directional light, more likely. Just hitting a weird thing. Alright. I need to wall this level up. I think those cameras mostly worked. I guess we can adjust a little bit, because this thing needs to be just, like... not over most of this. And then have a secondary one to switch back to the main camera when you're, like, past that. That'll be much better. So duplicate you. Then also way smaller. There's probably like some tool I could be using here to do this like a little more efficiently, but I don't know what it is. Didn't mean to launch that. Damn it. And this is tiring. I wish there were additional tools I could use to speed up this process. Aw, man. It's so stupid that it's like they built around that bush. But only a little bit. Huzzah! Yeah, I was liking this, and now I'm questionable on it. I don't know, I guess we'll keep that for now. Whoa. Yeah. Alright, we made a room. We did it. Still missing a few decals that I should put in here, but for example, on the map, it calls it the fountain room. It'd be weird if there wasn't like a fountain in there. But yeah, it's done. Slowly, we're getting there. Maybe I will have some kind of demo to show. Now I don't know. We got some more like core stuff added, which is cool, which will be useful in these other rooms as we build them out. But yeah, I think that's where we're gonna end the game dev portion of tonight. Hang tight, y'all. We're gonna play a short game before stream ends here. I don't know what it is yet though, so let me go look that up. But GG's for now.